Hi friends, welcome to techtouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to update JioSphere browser in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want update your JioSphere, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your JioSphere, then press on three lines bottom right side corner, then press on settings. In this, it will be scroll down. You can see here check for update. Press here. You can see here you are using on update version of JioSphere. That's it guys. So in this video update JioSphere in Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.